sir.
That is why you are not a thinking toy. Now get back here and use your head about it. Come on now. My goodness. Woo! Everybody, let's hear from my man. Good job, man, as you were. Well, some of you heard we are the Green Army Man, and we are looking for some new toy recruits. But before we get started, got to show y'all how to have some fun, and what could be more fun than some military drills. So we're going to start off with my favorite, a march. Everybody, let's march. Time. Hut. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, look at this, man. We got some experts out here. Woo-hoo. Wait a minute. I think I hear somebody coming. Man, get down, man. Man, when I said get down, I did not mean get down. Let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, see, they've had too much silly putty today. Wait a minute. I hear Buzz to the puppy. He's looking for a chew toy. Double time, double time, double time. You do not want to be a chew toy. You'll get covered in slobber. Blech. Company home. Give yourselves a round of applause. You safely made it back to the toy box. Woo. Well, now that we got our bodies warmed up, let's warm up everybody's voices. I want everybody nice and loud to repeat after me. I don't know, but I've been told.
I don't know what I've been told.
For the love of Malibu Barbie, people, I know you can be louder than that. Perhaps you need some percussive inspiration. I don't know, but I've been told.
I don't know what I've been told.
There we go, keep it up now. Army green's worth more than gold.
Army green was more than gold.
Sounding pretty good. Playtime's almost never done.
Playtime's almost never done.
Join our squad and have some fun.
Join our squad and have some fun.
That's right, we're here, and we're gonna have some fun. Woo! Man, let's have some fun with these folks.